What's up, everybody? How's everybody doing today, man? You already know how it goes. It's your boy B back with another video. If you have not already, man, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and also make sure you follow in the Discord. The first 100 to 150 people are free. Guys, we're locking this up after that. It's too much sauce to be giving people for free. I ain't even gonna lie. And I'm also surrounded with other entrepreneurs, other like-minded individuals. We are working to become better every single day. 1% better every day is my slogan. Guys, make sure you join the Discord. If you don't have a Discord, download it. Listen, I was somebody that never wanted a Discord, but you guys made me get one, and I'm so happy, and I'm so fortunate, and I'm so glad that we're starting this community there. And guys, I'm so glad you're a part of this community here. Guys, you know I'll never leave y'all, and I'm gonna continue to give you guys the sauce. So today, I am so happy, I am so humbled, I am so just delighted that I could wake up sometimes to seeing great testimonials. Now, not every day. Okay, every day I'm not waking up to great testimonials, and of course every day a business has different problems, and it's so annoying, so stressing, so just but guys, today I woke up to a great testimonial, and I want you guys to be able to hear this, even though I don't think this person thought I was going to share it. They only think I was going to share it, but guess what? I'm gonna share it. And guys, I am so happy that people are starting their new journeys, making new money and extra incomes. If you're somebody that is working a job, right? If you're working a job and you're getting paid bi-weekly or even weekly or even monthly or even a salary, and you feel as though you're not making enough, I want to tell you something. We have to blame somebody. We do. We gotta blame somebody because it's somebody's problem. It's somebody's fault, and you shouldn't have to go through this. So I'm gonna tell you guys this. I completely and transparently blame you because you're the one that put yourself in that situation. But here's the thing, you can get yourself out. Now let me tell you how you can get yourself out. You can get yourself out by stop being scared, okay? It's no point of being scared and not wanting to take risks. A lot of us are not risk takers, and that is the reason why we're complacent, why we're still in the same place daily, guys, because we don't want to make ourselves better as much as we think, okay? And you have to want to make yourself better, and making yourself better starts with understanding sometimes you got to do things that you may be uncomfortable, things that make you a little uncomfortable, all right? And this person that sent me this testimony, they obviously did something that made them feel a little uncomfortable, but they got results. But they didn't get results because of me. Let me make that clear, and I'm gonna say that again. They did not get results because of me. And the reason I say they didn't get results because of me, I don't do nothing. You do it. You're the one that puts in the work. You, not me. I'm just the guy that sits there and talks on the camera. I'm just the guy with the websites. But you're the one that's actually putting in the work and actually making your business work and making your business thrive. That's under my eye out. But nevertheless, guys, let's get into it. First of all, I want to let you guys know something, all right? This does surround the wholesale product box. If you guys want to sell products, you guys came to the right person. If you're somebody that isn't fascinated by the glorified but also very non-transparent drop shipping phase that we're all in, and you're somebody that wants to literally start a business, whether it's a business that is a physical business or an e-com site, if you're somebody that wants to sell on selling apps, if you're somebody that really wants this as bad as you want to breathe, but you don't have the products, your guy is here. I'm here for you. And one thing I want to say is, if you're somebody that has always wanted to start a business but just never knew where to start, make sure you're subscribing and sticking here, because we're gonna make sure we put you in the best position. Matter of fact, let me stop. We're not gonna make sure we put you in the best position. Only you can do that. I'm gonna make sure that I give you every ounce of me, every ounce of every being I have inside of me, and every experience that I go through, whether it's good or bad, so you can strive for the best, okay? So I got a text message this morning, and this text message was something that I was not expecting from this person. I have ran into this person, and I have talked to this person, and this person is older. This is an OG educated hustler, and yes, this person has been buying product from me way longer than I even remember. But he said, "Good morning, Brandon. I just want to share my testimonial. Hopefully you will post this because you really are doing great things, teaching us how to make money by doing it organic doing it organic way without relying on another company to provide us with products we never truly trust. That's a fact. Like, that's a fact, guys. That's a fact. Because you don't want to get a product and give it to a consumer and you don't even trust the product. It doesn't make sense. But anyway, all right, I have been buying the product box from you since February. Wow. Wow. Okay, before you start promoting it, before you started promoting it on YouTube, I already brought it into, I guess you're saying I don't know. I already brought it. It's okay. I brought my first product box for $200. This is when the price was higher. Again, I did used to sell a product box for $200, and I made a profit of $175 after recouping my investment. Okay, that ain't bad. Ain't bad. And then you changed the price to $150. Then I began to make a profit of $400 from each box. Believe it or not, I've been buying 3 to 4 boxes a month from you on a consistent basis. I have an Etsy store, an eBay store, and a MERCARI store. Those are okay platforms. And I have became an expert seller on all 3 platforms. Thanks to your help. That ain't me, that's you. That ain't me, that's you. You put the work in, that's you. I'm writing to tell you I have done my calculations and you are responsible for helping me make $6,400 in profit this year using the product box. If you ever do use this as a testimonial, I would like to let people know you get what you pay for, like you always say, but you also get what you work for. These products in the product box are not hard to sell. All you have to do is be consistent and list them. You are giving us everything we need. Thank you. One thing I gotta say about that, right, is I receive a couple testimonials, you know, on an everyday basis, and I'm gonna post them. I'm not gonna lie. I tell you, like, I may not make a lot of money or be, you know, overpriced in my products, but it's all because your success is what makes me money. And the fact that people are making success with the product box, it shows a lot, because it's like, for me, it just all started as an idea. If you don't know what the product box is or where to get it, the product box is a box full of electronic accessories that are trending, that are selling well in stores. And they're just products that you can literally get in the box and then just start listing. It's 42 products that you get for $150. You can get it at IamHustlersMindset.com. It's called the Wholesale Product Bundle or Product Box. I don't know which one we have it listed as, but it's the product box. Now, with this, guys, it's really cool because you're able to get all of these products and then you're able to see what products work for you. You're also able to set up flea markets, set up pop-up shops. This is something that is good for the real entrepreneur, somebody that is willing to actually do the work, not just physically or just over the online. You can do either or both. I have people that make a good amount of money doing this, and I do have people that make a great amount of money doing this. It's 2 different work ethics, guys. You can't just think I'm gonna hand you everything. You guys have to put in a little work, and I know you guys will. So without further ado, what we're gonna do is we're going to actually be packaging somebody's product box right now. In the product box, if you know your order number, this order number is 3079, okay? 3079, order 3709. I'm doing your box right now. So guys, without further ado, let's go into the product box. Let's count how much the value is, the bottom value. I'm gonna tell you guys what I would list these products for at the lowest, and we're going to see how much it totals at the end. I can't wait for you guys to see this. I'll see y'all in a second. All right, order 3079. This right here is your product box, okay? I don't wanna tip it all over, but guys, sometimes we do put more than 42 products in there, just to let you know. I'm just gonna go over what's in this box before we ship it. So, number 1, we have a Tech Theory magnetic phone clip. So this is gonna be like a car mount. So basically, it is going to look like this in your car, and you're able to actually just hook your phone up. I'm sure you guys seen this before. This right here, I'll sell this for $5. Every product you get in here is going to be $3 or less that you're getting at wholesale price. So you're making a profit off of it if you sell them for more than $3, just to let you guys know. And also, I'm going to actually count up exactly how much the value is. Now, I'm going to give you guys the value, okay? But remember, this is the lowest projection, guys, and everything that you get in the box is going to be around $3 that you're going to actually be getting this stuff for wholesale. So I'm gonna add the value up on my phone and we're gonna see exactly how much you make, okay? So number one, we got the tech theory, okay? The tech theory is going to be a car holder that you clip on to your vent, and you could just hook this on to your phone. It's just a magnetic hook. So this right here, I would sell this for around, you see what I sell it for in my store. This is no like joke. Sell it for 15 in my store. But you can sell this for around, I'd say $5 at least. Okay guys, so we're gonna add 5. Then we have a MacBook charging adapter, okay? These are expensive, okay? They're expensive wholesale, okay? You're getting a deal, I'm telling you right now. But anyway, I would sell this for at least $20. Yes, I said $20. These are so expensive, y'all. I'm talking about the quality ones. This is a 61 watt, not 20, 61 watt. This is expensive. So we're gonna add 20, okay? And that's the lowest I would sell it for. Then you're gonna get some of the headphones. These are going to be the 3.5 jack headphones. These, of course, I would sell them for around $6.50, okay? And then you get the power adapter. Of course, you heard me talk about the power adapter. I think the power adapter is cool. We usually sell this for around $10, okay? Now, this box, you get the SD card. So you're getting a 16 gigabyte SD card. We sell this for 15 in the store. I would sell this for around the same amount online. 15 is a bargain, but let's just say $10. Let's even go lower, $10, okay? Now, you also get the lightning cables, okay? So this is a lightning cable that lights up, all right? So this lights up, it's a blue light up cable, and a lot of people, especially young ladies, they love these. So what I would say, sell this for around $10 as well. All right, then you have the MagSafe charger. You guys know how I feel about this. I honestly would sell this for around $16. These are low prices, okay? Then we have another power bank, $10 again. Then we have the iPhone 7 headphones, okay? These are awesome. People buy these all the time, people that don't like AirPods. I would sell these for around $12, okay? Then of course you have the USB-C adapter, guys. You know how I feel about these. They look like this inside the packaging right here. We threw this extra just because, but yes, they look just like this. Very good weight, very great quality. Guys, I would sell this for around $12, guys, okay, boom. Then, plus the other adapter as well. Then you have the 10-foot lightning cable. We just started putting these in the product box, and of course I would sell this for around $8.50, okay? Then you have 20, these are USB to lightning cables, 20 of them. So I would sell lightning cables as bundles, but I'm trying to break down what I would sell them individually. So individually, I think I would sell these around $5 individually, but just to go on a low profit margin, just for this video, I'll say $4.50 each. So we're at $132 in value in the box right now, but now I have to do it's $425 times 20. That's gonna be $217 that you can make off of these, $217. But we also have the same thing with the USB-C to lightning. So we're gonna do the same thing, like $425 each. Now that would be $217 times 2. So that's $434, guys, just in chargers, guys. Now, if you can make $4 off of chargers and you have 40 chargers, guys, come on. Like, bro, I'm hooking you up. I'm hooking you up. I'm hooking you up, my guy. So right now the box value is at $566. You heard me, $566. Now, we also have a regular car mount, okay? I'll do this $5. Okay, then we have two 6-foot cable cords. I'll do these for $6.50. So $6.50 plus $6.50. Okay, And then you of course have the screen protectors. Now these screen protectors, these are for the 14 Pro Max, 14 Pro, and 14 Plus. And then it's duplicates. I'll sell these for $5. There are 5, 10, 15, 20. So 20 of these. So yeah, we'll just add $20 for 5. Now you have, last but not least, MagSafe cases, okay? MagSafe cases, these are all for new. This is the iPhone Pro Max. This is an iPhone Pro Max, and this is a 13 mini. So I would sell these for $10. That's adding 30. So the bundle, the value of this is no more in here. The value of the product box right now that you're about to get is going to be $634, bro. And all you paid was $150. Guys, I'm hooking y'all up. I'm gonna keep pushing it. I'm gonna keep pushing the envelope. You order a 42-piece product box, you never know what you got to get. I might give you more. Listen, I need you guys. I need you guys to keep giving me the testimonial. So I'm working hard. I'm working hard, guys. So $634 minus your initial investment, which is $150. You're making a profit of $484. Let's say you get a product box every single week, times that by 4. That means you're making $1,936. Are you kidding me? Let's times that by 12. Just off of product boxes alone, you can make what a janitor makes. You can make what some of us make with our jobs. $23,232. Like, let's go, y'all. Let's go. Listen, it's a no-brainer. If you sleeping, you gotta wake up, y'all. I'm trying to help y'all make money, but the only person that can actually seal a deal is you, of course. And guys, I know you will. I don't doubt none of y'all. I know you guys got this. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you don't know where to get it, you can get it at I'mHustlersMindset.com. There's a link below. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.